Hi everyone, I'm still sick, but I wanted to share with you guys this box. So here's a little card with information on the back and a coupon. This reminds me so much of my grandpa because he liked Old Spice. And this is a really nice smelling deodorant. So next up is this Gum Detoxify toothpaste. So this is really good for travel. I love the size and it smells really good, nice and clean. So this is really good also for travel, a great way to try this out, and it smells really good. Sorry about that. So this is a really good sample, so you can try all of them out. My husband was looking forward to this box, and this by far is the best item in the box. This pays for the whole box. I want to say thank you so much for all the well wishes. I hope I get better soon. And I wanted to share with you guys a link for this box because it's still available. And it's a great box for only $7. You can't beat that. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.